Scott Tanner coming to you live at Sunset Mitsubishi, and I've got some special guests. Got Celestine, Jorge, and of course we can't forget our little sweetheart Belle. And guys, say hi to everybody. You guys are super quiet. Now you guys were online, you guys were shopping, you guys were looking for a vehicle, and you guys saw this amazing video of this very knowledgeable Mitsubishi guy, and that would be me. And you guys came down today, is that correct?
Yes, we did.
And what are you driving home in?
A 2018 Mitsubishi Mirage.
That's right. Congratulations. There she is right there. Now we put some incentives and pricing out there. Could you believe it? I mean, could you believe the pricing? It was that simple?
Not at all. It was astounding.
Yeah.
Astounding. Simple process?
Simple and easy as it can be and easy to follow.
Perfect. Congratulations. And fast. I like that. That's even better. Congratulations, you guys. Welcome to the Sunset Auto family. Thank you. And thank you. And don't forget, they got warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. Do you guys like that?
Love it.
Love it.
I'm Jorge.
I'm Celestine.
And I just experienced the Scott Tanner Sunset Kia experience.
Congratulations, you guys.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
Bye-bye.